To add a new page, select Pages, then the plus icon. In Squarespace version 7.1, pages and footers are made of sections stacked vertically. Block sections will allow you to add and manually organize content blocks. Gallery sections will display a group of images, and collections will allow you to display blog posts, products, events, and portfolio projects. Once a page has been added, select Edit. Here, you can add or reorder your sections. To modify the style, select the pencil icon. To add a block, select the gray insert point, and to move that block, drag and drop it to a new location. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.